VEVOR sent me this set of drill jigs and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. Instruction manual, a lot of good images, show you exactly how to set it up, assemble it, and how to use it. All comes shipped in this box. You're going to get the chuck that you need to tighten down and grab onto your drills. All right, so now that I got it assembled, and it's easy to do with just your hands. You don't need any tools. You're basically going to set this bolt here on the bottom, and then you're going to spin the top to tighten it. And you're also going to do that to loosen this up to make future adjustments to it as well. So if you want to drill down into something straight on, you would just line these up here straight ahead. You've got little increments here so you can see you're going to move it down a set amount of angles as you go left and right. But you can lay your pipe, whatever round surface you're trying to drill into here. This will help you as well, stabilize it right down through the center. You could even bolt this down with these 4 screw holes here down to some wood to stabilize the whole base. And now I'm ready to start to drill. And what you're going to do is here at the top, you're going to load your drill bit into the chuck here. You've got this mandrel right there. And then when that drill bit is in there, you tighten that up here. And that will expand out and grab onto your bit. Now I've got the bit loaded up and in place. And now I take my cordless drill and I can attach that right to the top here. Tighten that down. And now I've got the jig all set up. I can determine my angle. If I need to rotate that, I'm just going to loosen each of those, tip it down to the angle that I need. Tighten that back up. It's going to hold that in place. And now I can start my drill. And I'm just going to push down. The spring enabled arms here are going to keep it got some positive pressure, and I'm just going to angle straight down and cut through to my pipe or whatever I needed to have that jig lined up against. So that's how it works. It's a very cool, small, portable jig. You've got adjustments here for you to be able to tighten it down so that it doesn't move, get it all lined up. You've got a handle here as well to make those adjustments. All kinds of versatility with this drilling jig by VEVOR. It enables you to use your hand drills and anything else that you've got at the job site. Hope that helps. Have a great day.